Wow, Boston sure is a cool city. Sure like here in Beanstown, that's what they call Boston, right? Where I'm currently located. Don't believe me? Look, it's Cheers, which is in Boston. That's not Pancake, that's another dog. Still don't believe me? Look, various Boston landmarks. Pancake, shut up. Still need more proof? Look, it's my good friend, Boston Rob Mariano, who is from Boston and was on the TV game show Survivor. He's from Boston, where I currently am. Still don't believe me? Look, it's Fenway Park, where the Boston Red Sox play the game of stickball. Sports ball with a stick in Boston, where I currently am. Uh-oh, what's this? A sneaker stash for Boston? Massachusetts, where I currently am? Oh, it's for a yellow pair of shoes. That's cool. Hope I get them. Hey, look at that. All right, let's go back home to Chicago and not be in Boston, where I currently am right now, but won't be anymore after this. Home sweet home. Sure enjoyed my time in Boston, where I was located for a little bit of time. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social stuff. You can also subscribe to the channel for one of these kind of videos every like 2 months or so. I just don't put much effort into this whole YouTube thing. Hello, pals! Today we're taking a closer look, sort of, I guess, at this thing that came in a box from Nike while I was in Boston. As most of you know, Virgil Abloh has done a myriad of collaborations with Nike. He did the original 10, there's the 20 or whatever, and then there's these 50 dunks that all look the same that are coming out. But the most limited ones were always the ones that were in alignment, I guess you could say, with when his figures of speech exhibit was going to be at various art museums. There was the all black one with the silver swoosh that was released to commemorate, right? That's a word, commemorate his exhibit being at the Museum of Modern Art in New York City. Again, there was I guess it's like a university blue type colorway that was released when his exhibit was at the Museum of Contemporary Art here in Chicago. And they did another one for when his exhibit is in the Institute of Contemporary Art in Boston, Massachusetts, where I was for a short period of time. I don't know if that looks anything like the lady from WandaVision, but hey, whatever. That's how I got these, folks. It's an Air Force One. It says Air Force 107/O dubs. I got a size 13. Don't ask me why, because I can't explain it. This is, as I just mentioned, the collaboration with Virgil Abloh's Off-White brand, I guess you could say, and Nike on the Lemonade Air Force One. Just like the other two museum collaboration type things, it's a monochromatic Off-White Air Force One with a silver swoosh and some kind of different stitching along that silver swoosh. I know this isn't normal for me, but let's take a closer look at these things. Retail on these was $150. Again, you had to be in the Boston area because it was released via a sneakers stash. The quality in these is much like the blue ones that I had too. It's just very soft leather, very nice stitching, and it's got that signature deconstructed off-white look that Virgil loves to beat to the ground like a dead horse. What's the resale on these like right now? Let's find out, because it changes every day because the resale market is super goofy right now. I'm using GOAT because I prefer GOAT. Currently, this size 13 is at $1,963. That's around the average. Usually, most of them are between like $1,800 and $1,900. Don't ask me why anyone would pay $1,900 for a shoe. If you're into this thing, it's cool. I will say these are a better color than the blue ones. Not that the blue ones are bad, but I just much prefer this color. And it is cool that the stupid off-white hang tag thing is yellow also. I think the MCA one was red, and I think the Momo was white, just for the contrast, but figured I'd get some hypebeast views. Why not? Hey, shout out Familia for helping me with my plane ticket to Boston. And thanks to my wife, for letting me use her phone while we were in Boston for this thing. Yeah, there you go. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time for some kind of other video, probably a beater box on Friday. Till then, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.